It looks like you have got genuine stuff.
Yes, I'm using all the branded stuff like.
That is the best part.
Yes.
Otherwise वो नहीं है हरोला वाला
नहीं sir. I'm using all the Viva product.
Viva है या रजनीगंधा का भी है good.
That's Goodrich. That is the only product which is like they are delivering to Domino's also.
And कोलमैन कहलाता है, कोलमैन में रखा हुआ है।
Yes.
हाँ,
yes.
कुछ ना हो, कोई टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल्ड है।
Yes. Due to COVID, like I used to work in MNC and जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया टूरिज़्म सेक्टर स्पेशली इनबाउंड वो पूरा अफेक्टेड हो गया। एंड द थिंग इज़ दैट दे आर नॉट पेइंग एंड फॉर लिविंग यू हैव टू डू समथिंग। सो मैं नहीं बैठ सकता था टिल द टाइम वैक्सीनेशन नहीं आता है। टूरिज्म अभी उठने वाला भी नहीं है, खासकर इनबाउंड। यस, ओके।
What do you call sandwich or whatever you call it?
दिस इज दिस सैंडविच,
Sandwich.
Yes.
How many
स्टफिंग
stuffing are there?
लाइक अनियन,
Onion, yeah, yeah. How many?
कैप्सिकम
10, 12 different ones.
and like I have brown bread, I have white bread, and
Start these small ones.
the small ones it's like capsicum and onion, tomato and cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yes,
And the cream.
and the cream. Yes, mayo and this cheese dressing. Yes.
चलो अच्छा. And timings are
Timings usually I open at 4
4 in the evening,
4 in the evening. Yes.
not morning निकलते.
No. Cheese, aloo cheese patty.
These are you made it or
No. I
bought it from?
bought it every day from the bakery.
Bakery.
Fresh. Abhi as of now my motive is to serve people and to attract them. Once thoda sa they will come to know about me,
10% कर देंगे.
फिर I will definitely raise the price, but I will not compromise with the quality. Because my parents are old age
Right.
and we have to take one decision. So
That's great.
yes, somebody has to be at home to take care. ये है, it's in sector 19 A block near Mother Dairy, Noida.